The Nigerian police force has arrested the alleged mastermind behind the March 29, 2022 Abuja-Kaduna train attack that left some passengers killed and scores abducted. The suspect, identified as Ibrahim Abdullahi aka Mande, is also said to be behind the kidnapping and murder of students of Greenfield University and the many abductions along the Kaduna-Abuja Express Road. Force Public Relations Officer ACP Olumuyiwa Adejobi, who made this known in Kaduna on Thursday, May 2, said 48 AK-47 rifles were seized during Monday's arrest, and efforts were underway to identify a sponsor and supplier of weapons. On the 12th January 2024, police operatives attached to an anti-kidnapping unit of Kaduna State Criminal Investigation Department, based on credible information, swooped in and arrested one Ibrahim Abdullahi aka Mande at Abuja-Kaduna Road flyover by Radio Junction. The suspect confessed to being the leader of a kidnapping syndicate terrorizing the Kaduna-Abuja highway, ranked among other criminals like Dogo Gide and Bello Turji. He had participated in various kidnapping incidents, including the kidnapping incident at Greenfield University, and he partook in almost all the kidnappings along the Abuja-Kaduna highway. Esusa Enoba Highway, VOS TV, Benin.